Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. If you are new here, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere and I make videos from Lagos, Nigeria. In today's video, we are making Nigerian salad, and here are the ingredients I'll be using for this salad. I have here one cucumber, not some, one big cucumber, though I may not use all. And I have carrots, which I've also peeled the skin and washed. And I'll be using also lettuce. I have here cabbage. I've already started using this cabbage, so I tied it up. Are you tying it up? Oh my god. I have here some one big cabbage which I've already cut out for something else, for another recipe. So that's why I had to tie that with the nylon or cling film, with a cling film. And I'll also be using sweet corn and red kidney beans. So let's go ahead now and get all of them prepped or prepared. I'm going to be grating my carrot with this grater. I like to grate it most times, but you can also cut it with knife. I'll show you that later. Be careful with your hand. You don't have to cut it to the end. As this one is remaining, I'm not going to grate it again. I can use knife and cut this one. So always be careful of your hands. Also cut it with knife. You can just do it like this. Do it like this and cut. So whichever style you want, you cut. But for this, I'm using grating. I'll then cut the cucumbers. I'll remove the seed so that it will not make the salad watery. You know, cucumber has lots of water and it comes from the seed. But I'm not throwing it away. We eat it. I'll be adding some boiled eggs in the salad also. So I'll just slice the eggs. And here we have everything we'll be using for this salad ready. Here I have the cabbage, the carrots, the lettuce, cucumber, sweet corn, the red kidney beans, and the eggs. So let's continue. In a mixing bowl, I'll start adding them one after the other in no particular order. You can do this in any order. Though I'm starting with cabbage, you can start with carrots, you can start with lettuce. I just added cabbage followed with the lettuce. Next, I'm adding some carrots. The cucumber. Some sweet corn. And the kidney beans. We are not adding egg now. Egg will be added at the end of everything. So you start all over again and you continue to mix it like this until you have used all the vegetables or you've gotten the quantity you want. You don't have to use all the vegetables I've used here. You can also substitute with vegetables you have available. You can also use few vegetables. You can just use carrots and cabbage and your salad, you have it. At this point, our salad is ready, but you can go ahead and add some boiled eggs if you want to. This one is optional. Go ahead and serve your salad and enjoy it with any salad cream or salad dressing of your choice. I hope you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Just give us a thumbs up now. And also share the video. Subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye-bye.